You are trying to accelerate away from a stoplight, but your pedal feels like it is completely disconnected from the engine. Or maybe your car suddenly lurches into a terrifying limp mode where you can barely crawl at 20 miles per hour while the check engine light flashes. This is the classic symptom of code P2167, which means the powertrain control module has detected a performance malfunction in the throttle or pedal position sensor E during a maximum stop or wide open throttle condition. If you are driving a modern vehicle from Ford, Toyota, or even a high-performance car like a Ferrari, you do not have a physical metal cable connecting your foot to the engine. You are using a sophisticated drive-by-wire system. This setup relies on multiple sensors, usually potentiometers, that send a voltage signal to the computer to tell it exactly how far you have mashed the gas or how wide the throttle plate is open. Sensor E is a specific part of this redundant circuit designed to make sure the car does not take off on its own. When you hit wide open throttle, the computer expects to see a signal around 4.5 volts, but if it sees something that does not match its internal map, it panics and shuts down your acceleration to keep you safe. The severity here is massive because it can leave you stranded in a dangerous intersection with zero power. Before you assume you need a brand new $1,000 throttle body assembly, you need to do some old-school cleaning. Pop the intake boot off and look at the throttle plate. Over thousands of miles, oily carbon buildup from the crankcase ventilation creates a thick black ring that can physically prevent the plate from reaching its maximum stop position. Use a dedicated throttle body cleaner and a soft rag to gently wipe that gunk away, but be extremely careful not to force the plate too hard because you can easily strip the internal gears of the actuator motor. If the mechanical side is clean, grab your digital multimeter or an oscilloscope to check the signal wires at the connector. You want to see a smooth, steady climb in voltage from 0.5 volts to 4.5 volts as you slowly move the pedal or the plate. If you see the voltage suddenly jump or drop to zero during that sweep, you have found a dead spot in the sensor circuit board. Also, check the electrical connectors for any signs of green corrosion or pins that have vibrated loose over the years. On some vehicles, the throttle body, the motor, and the sensors are all one sealed unit, so if the internal wiper arm of the potentiometer is worn out, you will have to swap the whole assembly. Just remember to perform a throttle relearn procedure after any repair so the computer can find its new home position and give you back that crisp, responsive acceleration you expect from your ride.